up and down like a pogo. Hands up like a pogo.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Hey beautiful family, and Honey is back with yet another video. To my returning service, thank you so much guys for returning. I really appreciate you all. You guys rock. And to my new subscribers, welcome. My name is Tanega Kaula, Mrs. K and If you haven't yet subscribed, please press that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget to share with your family and friends. Connect with me in all my social media platforms. I am Mrs. Kaule. Right? So guys, today it's Thursday morning. My plan is to go do window shopping with you guys at not Mr. Price, at Pep Home and Shit Street. Right? So that I can plug you. Maybe I can get 1 or 2 things for myself. So yeah, man. So guys, now I need to prepare myself because I've eaten my breakfast and now I need to go and prepare myself and off we go, right? So yeah, man, I love you all. I am taking you with me.
And I sinner, but I'm a saint, 'cause I'm a winner when I'm covered in grace. Winter, spring, and fall, it's on you I call. You get me through it all. The only one who knows how many times I couldn't get my mind right. Drowning in my tears at night, haunted by the limelight. I'm forever your lady. I'll be forever your baby. There ain't no ifs, ands, or maybes. You are, you are, you are. You are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I finally realized, got a lifeline.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Surrender your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Shorty giving that stuff, but she fed up. Yeah, yeah. Shorty giving that stuff. Shorty giving that stuff. Shorty giving that stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Shorty giving Esther. Don't you let them down days fester. Don't you let your friends peer pressure. When it's their time, tell them bless up. Cause when it's yours, floodgates from heaven. I know, telling you it's coming. It's like preaching to the reverend. But somebody had to tell you. Sit back and let it settle. God pulling strings like Geppetto. Don't put your faith in no fellow. They poking at you with their nose when they tell you it ain't in your cause, but God aligning the stars. You deserve a lot like a line of cars. Everything you want already yours. Yeah. If you believe it, that's the hardest part of receiving. It's your season, only if you mean it. Shorty giving that stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits.
You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah, purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. If your glory wants to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Let it burn. Let it burn. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let it burn. Oh, gotta let it burn.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm.
Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold her pretty and up to the sky. Never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher.
So beautiful family, we have come to the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed and you had 2 or 3 ideas on what to get on your next shopping. Thank you. Bye.
This moment is the day that the Lord has made.